Trader, we have the SOX Index, the chip sector. It's been on fire. It's day 5. Day 7, if we break above, these are all at breakout points right here. This is where the downtrend started. We went down, one big one, two, three, four, 4 straight down. We've got 5 up. Actually, the downtrend started. I'll draw a trend line right here. We see a lot of risk ahead. Let's be clear. So we can go day 6 up to day 7. We can go up to there before actually making a big reversal coming straight right back down. It's been a remarkable rally in that chip sector with NVIDIA leading the way. We understand that. We're at the top of the channel. We know that we can go up day 6 to day 7 before a big reversal. We don't see the end of September being friendly to the market. We see October having difficulties in this market, and we're giving you awareness about this market and why you should join the free 5-day trading room, why you should get educated, why you can put that education to work right here, right now, today. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Guess what? We flipped it. We got the evidence. We got the proof. You can believe what you see, not what you hear.